To unsend your Instagram messages all at once, you need to open Instagram from your computer. Now open your web store or extension store. So right now I'm using Google Chrome browser. So I'm in Chrome web store. In web store, search for unsender for Instagram. Now all you have to need, add this extension unsender for Instagram that comes from boomerstudio.com. So add this extension to your browser and also make sure to pin this extension. Now all you have to need, go back to your Instagram, navigate to the chat or conversation you want to delete or unsend multiple messages for, and from the conversation tap this extension icon, and minimum seconds here give 1, max seconds give here 2. Now all you have to need, click on start unsending, and this will start to unsend your messages all at once, just like this. Thanks for watching.